Okay, this is my extreme rocket. I ride only 13.5 kilometer. If I ride 25 kilometer and above, 25 kilometer per hour and above, it will make grinding sound. I show you what I mean. You hear that? Heartbreak also. Heartbreak also. Heartbreak also. Grrr, grrr. Extreme Bull told me to update the firmware. Update the firmware. Now I want to update the firmware. Okay, I want to update firmware first. Okay, I log into begode. Setting, firmware update. Extreme Bull Master M10 Extreme Bull rocket test, rocket. Okay, rocket, this one update JN15250001. Wait to update. Firmware upgrade. Oh my god. Wait. Wait till update. 41 56 68 70. It's done update. Try to power on. Okay, done update. Let's try to ride. $25 and above. Make sure it's okay. Okay. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Nice. Looks good. Nice. Looks good. Okay, now I want to calibrate first. I want to calibrate the wheel. That's the solution, okay? That's the solution.